I was popping in about welcome to another video. We're going to do a very fast trade cap. Try to speed on it. So I'm in the airport. I'm about to go on my flight. But I do want to show you all the two trades I took today. Two trades, one break even, one win. So let's get right into it. So coming into the day, I was very kind of internally, I was more bearish, but externally, we did look more bullish. So I was really just waiting to see some type of just something. Let price show me something. So we came into Oakland, very strong pump. As you can see, CPI was very bullish. We rebalanced into the CPI fair value gap. And I was very hesitant because we were just barcoding at first, initially before open. So I was really hesitant. I was planning on being lower risk today just because I really just wanted to get my trade and get off the charts. I was in the car, I was driving. So I wasn't driving, but I was in the car though. I was trying to get it all out the way as soon as possible. So from there, I recognized that ES had this very clean 5-minute model. Tapped into 15-minute bounce, got the 5-minute inversion. From there, I went long. On this long, I'm gonna tell y'all why I got stopped the way I did. My stop loss was at this candle low. I figured since we are coming out of market open, we should have a lot of implied volatility. If price really wants to go long, we are not going to get a full retracement. We're gonna tap this imbalance, we're gonna instantly go long. So I trusted my judgment. And then from there, I ended up going break even once we inverse this internal 30-second right here. This was my break even point. So we got this placement candle. And from there, as y'all can see, I did get stopped at break even. And then my chart actually froze. We were driving through some mountains and I had no service, but luckily I got very blessed because once I did get my service back, we had closed through the 3-minute, 1-minute internal sell model as well. As y'all can see, internal super buy side, 1-minute change in the state, displacement through the 1-minute. We also closed through the 5 minutes. So from there, enter short. Literally the second I got my service back, I recognized the setup, I recognized the model, and I full force took the trade. Pyramided once we seen the respect of this 1 minute that we tapped into, and also the macro is getting ready to open up. So I did expect a lot of speed through these lows. I did not want to really see us continue to hesitate, which is why I was comfortable with pyramiding and tightening my stop. Initially, when I entered up the 5-minute, I just wanted to see us fill this entire imbalance and to fill this data low because NQ never made a wick. NQ never really had a bottom wick, and usually when this is a occurrence, you will see that be like a potential strong draw on liquidity. If there's a candle with no actual wick to it, the top or bottom, wherever the wick is non-existent at, is usually a very good draw on liquidity. So from there, I use that as my main target. Not looking to leave a lot of runners just because of the fact that price has not been the best. Price action has not been the most efficient. So I'm not looking to take the highest risk to reward trades just because of that. They are talking really loud. I hope y'all can still hear me. But yeah, this is where I want to take all off at. Pyramided. Once we got that, move my stop to this high. Once we got this displacement candle right here through this low. And as y'all can see, I actually got very lucky. I closed all at this low because of the fact that I met my profit target for the day. I did not need to make more money than I had already. So I took all off right here. This is exactly what I needed. Fully fine with that. And I damn near bottom took the initial move before we actually ended up meeting my potential deal or my initial deal. Would have still been in the trade, would have still met my private target. But yeah, that was that though. Trade I took. And yeah, thank you all for watching. I'm gonna join me. Catch you on the next one. Peace.